Hello, hello. It's May 27th and we're going camping. Woo! It's just after 2 o'clock and we are making our way out the door. Bye, kitty. Can you see him? Oh, where is he? Oh, there's a thing blocking. There he is. There he is.
We're all ready to go now. On the road again.
Made it to Interlakes.
We made it.
But now the real difficulty begins.
We gotta scope a spot.
We have to pick a campsite.
Hi.
Yeah. So we think we found our campsite, site 34, but we're backtracking to see what 30 has to offer. Whew, it's fucking nice out here. Site 30 was pretty nice, but not nice enough for us to move. So 34 it is. Got the tent all set up, and now Est is in the tent doing the bed. Right there, we have the cell phone on a time lapse. Just loving the time lapses, as I'm sure you know by now.
Hop in a squat. Nature's best bathroom.
We made it.
Oh.
Oh. Cheers.
Oh, she's a bubbly one. Cheers.
We took some pictures and walked along the beach for a while. Now we're going to order some firewood, and then we're gonna head back to camp.
We just picked up some firewood. We went to go put an order in, and I guess they don't deliver anymore. So we're gonna carry this. Scotty is a strong, independent man. He don't need no woman, so I'm gonna stay out of this. And he's gonna carry this the whole way back to lot 34. We're at about lot 3 right now. Lot 3. We made it!
The sun's about to set behind the mountain over there. So I'm gonna set up the camera to do a time lapse, and hopefully we can make something cool.
It's 8:56. We just finished taking a little time lapse and a video watching the sunset. We're gonna go back now and start a fire.
The sun's went down, so it's getting kind of chilly.
And there's creatures that are gonna start coming out, so we gotta get out of here.
Yeah. So as nice as this lake is, it's time to switch gears and have the first campfire of the year.
Yay!
We made it back to camp. We got changed. And now it's time to make a fire.
Scotty's just chopping wood, and I'm just eating candy. Living the dream life.
Made the fire. Magnificent.
So warm.
And now we're just chilling. We're probably gonna cook some hot dogs and maybe some s'mores soon. And we will see you in the morning.
Over no. Good morning. Today is May 27th.
28th.
May 28th. We woke up at 11. It's still 11. Here's our view this morning.
Keep turning.
It's been amazing.
There you go.
Okay, we're up and ready. We're gonna go down to the water now and eat our muffins. Go and help one of our camper neighbors move their canoe, and then hopefully get to go for a little rip in that later.
packed up. Everything is back in the truck. Now that we're done, I'm gonna put some sunscreen on. We're gonna go park a couple lots down and see if we can go for a canoe ride.
I'm just waiting here while my slave puts the bottles away. There he is. Get that in the hole. Get it in there. Oh yeah.
With that ends another successful trip to Interlakes. It's the 4th time down and it hasn't disappointed yet. It was nice that we got to add a new experience this time by being on the other side of the lake and getting to actually go on the lake. All in all, it was just a really nice time, prime camping, and a wonderful night away from home. Stopped off on the side of the road, a place called Barrier Lake. We've been here before, but we were up in the mountain.
Doing a hike.
Over, oh my god, I can't see it. There. And now, we're by the lake. It's windy out, so I hope this audio doesn't suck. Found this rock to sit at and hang out. Taking a time lapse back there that we're hoping is the best. It is beautiful out here. Finished up at Barrier Lake, and now it's time to head home. We're gonna miss the mountains.
Ready to roll. AC back on. Give me that aircon.
When the time's right, I light up and ride off in sunsets and Corvettes. Like I'm the plug and you don't know. Well, why? I do these things and I don't know. Just trying to go and prove myself to be one of the best I can. Yeah, I wouldn't wanna let you down. I care about the things you say. It's just that I don't see myself. Keep in mind I got longevity days now. Keep in mind we're getting throwed up out the hills now. Yeah, I've been running off for no reason. Got me looking for something real now.
We home, we made it.
The adventure's over for now. I hope you enjoyed our journey. Hope it was a cool story.
Now they always wanna come along. Oh man, I wanna tap out now. Just see your pants out now. Book a flight to Japan right now. I don't wanna be the last around, no.
Hello?
Right there.